Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. Kingston, Jamaica, April 1st, 2025. In a shocking turn of events, the Jamaican government has announced plans to ban the national dish, Ackee and Saltfish, citing serious health concerns linked to the toxic nature of unripe ackee. The decision, reportedly approved in an emergency cabinet meeting late last night, comes after an increase in cases of Jamaican vomiting sickness syndrome, a condition caused by consuming improperly prepared ackee. Minister of Health and Wellness stated that the move is a precautionary step to protect public health. We cannot ignore the rising incidence of ackee poisoning, especially among tourists who are unfamiliar with the popular preparation methods, Minister of Health and Wellness said in a press briefing this morning. While we recognize Ackee's deep cultural significance, we must prioritize the safety of our people. According to a leaked government memo, the ban will take effect on May 1st, 2025, giving vendors and households just 1 month to phase out the dish. The Jamaica Agricultural Society has also been instructed to halt commercial ackee farming, and local markets will be required to dispose of existing ackee stocks. The announcement has sparked outrage across the island, with many questioning the reasoning behind the decision. One prominent chef said the ban, calling it an attack on Jamaican heritage. Small-scale farmers who rely on ackee exports are also worried about the financial impact, as ackee is one of Jamaica's most lucrative agricultural exports, especially to the United States and Canada. If this is all part of April Fool's joke, yay! Who did I get now? Did I get Cross Fam? Did I get Jam Snow Queen? KK? Who did I get now? Did I get my Jamaicans? Guys, I'm just joking. Bless up on yourself. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.